Welcome back to another video. This is a different video, you guys. I'm back in my car and I'm living back in my car, and I want to show you guys the new improvements that I made. I know a lot of people thought I was crazy for having a whole bed in here and stuff like that, so I still have a similar setup as far as the bed, but look, this is how it is during the day. I got both seats completely back during the day, completely upright during the day. It looks like a regular car during the day for the most part. And then at night, that's when the party starts. Just kidding. So that's where the bed is. This is the same mattress. I just opened it up and I unzipped it and I took some of the foam out. So it had like 4 layers of foam, which was making it a lot thicker. And now I'm able to fold it, do this. It's actually getting hot. I don't need my sleeping bag anymore. I'm going to be finding a way to store that. For now, I still have my body pillow and all my stuff, my pillow. That's the night, this is the day setup. I'm gonna show you guys the night setup towards the end of the video. I have a refrigerator now that plugs into a 12-volt cigarette lighter. This is also can be a warmer, which I don't use it for that because it's just a fridge for me. Got this off of Amazon. I'll show you guys. I'm gonna have all the links below for everything in the description box, you guys. And I signed up for the Amazon affiliate program, so now you guys can help support the channel. It's mainly fruit. You guys know I'm a vegan and I try to eat like a mainly raw diet for the most part. Look at all that fruit I got right here. Bananas, mangoes, oranges, lemons. I got some bread and stuff right here. This is, like I said, this is the day setup. So I got some different stuff. That's some kiwis and different stuff. The rest of the food is still in the front of the car, you guys. I keep it in these bags up here. That was where I want to say I had the food up here before. It may have been in the back. I may have had it back here, but now it's up there. That's all my dry foods, canned goods, different spices, and different stuff that I eat, nuts, a whole bunch. I eat a lot of nuts and stuff like that. This is my toiletry and gym bag. I got all my toiletries in here. Everything I need when I take a shower at the gym. It's in here, a whole bunch of different stuff. And I just take that like in restrooms or wherever I'm gonna be, you know what I mean? Going to wash up or whatever. My yoga mat, because I do yoga. I'm gonna be doing a yoga video too, you guys, because I want to show you guys that. Let me go around and show you guys that outside. But look at all this new stuff I have. So I have a 5-gallon water dispenser with a pump on it, a portable, a chargeable pump. It's so fun. Look at this. Let me set the camera. So let me try to do it with one hand. Forget that. I'm not setting the camera. Press the button. It dispenses the water for me. I've only had to charge it once, and I've been using it quite a bit. This is my second water gallon, 5-gallon of water. And I got a completely chargeable fan that is wireless and portable. Watch this. This is what I sleep with at night. It feels so good. It just feels so good. I have a portable blender, completely wireless. It charges. So lit, you guys. This is where I get most of the power from, this 12-volt inverter that I got off of Amazon. And then I use this little 3-pack. It gives me ways to use up to 3 different cigarette lighters. Got that off of Amazon. I just turned that on. That gives power to everything. I'll leave it on real quick because it is getting hot. And I got these shades that I put on whenever I just want some breeze to come in without the bugs. It's summertime, well, spring. Well, it's not even spring yet, I don't think. But I'm in the South and it gets hot and there's a lot of wasps be trying to come in my car, like when I'm just chilling and stuff. And that's not what I'm about. Got them on both sides. I got those off of Amazon. They were really affordable. The yoga mat, this is, you'll see the night. That's mainly for the night setup as well, because I could like put that somewhere else if I wanted to in my trunk. All my clothes are in this suitcase. I don't need a lot of clothes. I'm a minimalist. You guys know that if you've been on the channel for a while. It's not fully folded. I was kind of going through it a little bit earlier. But you guys know I keep it simple. I'm a guy, I keep it simple. My shoes are in here. Right now I got on some sandals, and I just keep my other different shoes in here, workout shoes, and I store them underneath the seat like that. Of course, when I got two hands, it's much easier. This is different supplements and vitamins that I take. You guys know I take a lot of supplements, herbs, and things like that. Now we're at the part where we're talking about the toilets. So right now I'm just using these as toilets to pee in. Just pop the lid off, pee in it at night, dump them and clean them during the day. I spray sanitizer and alcohol and stuff like that on them. I want to show you guys how nice it looks during the day, because before, a lot of you guys did not like my day setup, which, I mean, you guys, I had to do it quick. Like, this wasn't a big planned thing. It was something that happened really fast, and I needed to dip. I already showed you guys the food. I'm about to have a snack in a little bit. Real simple day setup, you guys. Real simple. Just super easy. I like it easy. I'm a minimalist. I got some paper towels down there. Like I said, this is all my food in here, canned goods, all my different stuff for my smoothies, chai seeds, flax seeds, protein powder that I use, everything. Now I'm thinking I should probably set the camera up and just show you guys how I do it for nighttime. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, I'm gonna put the camera down right here so you guys can kind of see. I actually do it from the inside though, so it doesn't even matter. Let's do it on the other side, because I don't open this at night. I just do it from the inside. So what I typically do is, I'm in the front seat, of course, and I just kind of like, it's a lot of movement right now, you guys, with this camera. Work with me, work with me. So I pretty much bring all this fruit up to the front seat like we had. And then at night, because I don't want to smash it, bring all my fruit and stuff that is, I don't want to smash, up to the front seat. Come on, you guys. These are all my good stuff. Yeah, let's set the camera up somewhere so y'all can at least see what I mean. He'll be fine. I'm just trying to show you guys. I'm not for like all the perfect editing videos anymore. I'm not here for all the theatrical editing and all this stuff anymore, you guys. I don't like that process, and I'm not gonna pretend like I do. And it was actually, that's why I haven't been uploading a lot of videos, because I just be looking at them like, oh, they're not perfectly edited and this, that, and the third, and like, who's gonna want to watch my video? It's not perfectly edited. The message is here, the information's here, it's valuable. It's just not gonna be perfectly edited, and that's fine. I'm sick of trying to be perfect for other people to be like, oh, this is the best video, but there's no value in it. You know what I mean? Like, that's what most people are doing. I also bring this up to the, no, I leave this down here in my toiletry bag. The reason why I leave this down here is this is what gives me the support to put the mattress down so it doesn't sink in. The fridge makes a little bit of sound when it's on. I don't know if you can hear it. I don't leave it on at night right now. It's not a lot. Like I said, I don't eat a lot of perishable food, so I just roll my mattress down like that. That's it. You see what I mean? And then I climb through from the inside, because like I said, I'm in the inside of the car, you guys. So I climb through at night. I get in, I get my pillow, and I'm in. That's it. And I'm asleep. I sleep on my side with my body pillow, which is in there. And if you guys seen my night routine videos, same night routine stuff, just same setup. I can stretch all the way out, you know. This is a full-size mattress, I believe. Yeah, I'll put the link in the description, you guys. And that's it. I'm sweating because it's hot outside. And then when I'm done, actually, in the morning, I just climb back through the front. Like I said, same process as before, just a little more convenient for me. Before, I really didn't know what I was doing. I didn't know what I needed. I just know I have, I like comfort. Some people have these little inflatable mattresses and stuff. That's not me. That's not it. Some people have these little like camping mattresses. I don't like that. I'm about to turn the AC on. I just want to come on and give you guys the information real quick, show you guys how I'm living. People A lot of people want to live in their cars. Male, female, young, black, white, gay, straight, it don't matter. A lot of people want to do this. And they just need information. They need different perspectives. They need different ways of doing it. See how that is? And then literally I fold it back up. So I just roll it. You can do it from the inside, but it's kind of easier to fold it back up from the outside. And I'm gonna put the camera down so y'all could actually see this part. Just roll the mattress up, and then I'll pop the seats back, and I make sure this little latch is right here, and then I'll just get it to latch. That's it. It's that simple. And I'm back to the day setup. And then at that point, like I said, if I want to make room up here for these fruits, I can move them to the back. I don't need to. So none of it has to be like that. Just showing you guys how I'm doing it right now. Some days I leave it like this. Some days I leave the mattress down because I just not really trying to be super clean, you know. But either way, it's super minimal. Like you see, I have everything I need in this car to live. Oh, didn't even show you some of the coolest stuff that I got. There's still some, but wait, there's more. So yeah, this is like it right now. Then you guys know we have this little garage down here in the Prius, and I can access that. Trying to fix the camera for ya, because I really need two hands to open this, because the mattress is what puts it down. And I have all this stuff down here that I use. I have a skillet. I got this cooker right here, you guys. Coleman cooker. It's a butane. It uses butane fuel. My books, incense, different stuff like that I cook with, and my healing stuff, my sage, my singing bowls right here, some Palo Santo with my lovely abalone shell. And on the other side, I keep my dirty clothes right here in a bag, and a jacket just in case. I'm not gonna need none of this stuff though, but it's getting hot already. So, and then watch, I could easily just close it. That's it. Super easy, guys. You don't need to spend a lot of money. This is all the most affordable options. Like I said, I'm gonna show you guys how to do this on Amazon. I'm gonna put all the links below in the description. Everything's affordable. Also got my iPad. I don't keep it up here during the day because it's hot, but I just put it right there. Sometimes I put it underneath the seat. I don't want to show you guys too much because I know you guys seen some of my previous videos. I keep my eating supplies down here and everything. Napkins, paper plates, recyclable. I love being eco-conscious. I love being a better human that's taking care of the earth. So I'm not trying to waste a lot of stuff. I'm out of breath because it's hot, you guys. Put that AC on and chill for a minute. And that's it. Real easy, lovely. Look at the back. And it's just like a regular car during the day. I did get my windows tinted a little darker too. I don't know if you guys noticed that. That was just a personal preference because I realized I got them too legal previously. And I'm loving it, you guys. I have to get back in the groove of living in my car again. It's a process. Definitely a process that you have to be about, as far as, like, you know, the flow. You got to be in the flow state. And I'm also getting back to, this is a summer spring setup, which previously it was winter, fall, whatever you want to call it. And it was just like cool. Now it's getting warmer, so I got to like run my AC and stuff more, park in the shade, do different things. I'm excited for this summer. I don't know what it's going to bring me, but I know I'm at a flow state. I'm just enjoying life, whatever life throws me. I'm equipped for whatever comes my way because I'm Troy Warrior. I'm the 2.0 version of myself, and I'm equipped for anything life brings me. And I know this because I'm guided and protected. If you guys saw my other video, you saw that I found a white feather. That's my grandmother's. It's my guardian angel, my spirit ancestors. And I found a black feather too the day after on my walk. It's a lot of good stuff. A lot of good stuff. A lot of signs and symbols. Your ancestors talking to you, ghosts, spirit ancestors, guardian angels talking to us. I have my crystals in here. So when I want to do some crystal work and just do some meditations, whatever, the rest of them are in here. The rest of my friends are in there. I don't have any plants with me right now, you guys. They're at a house where I will be getting them back soon. I just didn't need them right now. They're well taken care of. I do miss something green in here though, so we'll see. But I just know it's hot, and then with the space, I wanted it to just be more practical for you guys. So that's what I wanted to show you guys. But this is, I'm happy. This is all you need to be happy in life, you guys. Shelter, food, water, all my necessities, my basic needs are met. And there's no need to be complaining or be ungrateful for anything. I wake up every morning, I thank God, the universe, source, my ancestors, cosmos, the sun, the moon, my guardian angels for everything that they do for me. They guide me, protect me. I have discernment. I know what I'm doing. I use intuition. If I feel weird parking at a certain place, I leave. It's easy. This is an easy life. Super easy life. I did start a garden, which I'm not going to be continuing anymore because I'm not living at that house anymore. It just wasn't right for me, you guys. It wasn't aligned for what I'm doing right now and what I need in my life right now. And you have to be at that type of, you got to be like that. You got to be ready to just dip when something's not aligned. You got to be ready to just be like, oh yeah, that's what y'all doing, or okay, like that's the energy y'all putting out, like I'm not here for that, and just go, because that's self-love. So the best thing you could do is love yourself and take care of yourself. People aren't here to show up for you. They're not here to meet your expectations. We're here to meet our own expectations. So as much as I wanted to be in the house to like do this whole cooking thing, start this business, I had an alarm set for something. I need to make a phone call right now at 5 o'clock. And I'm about to eat some dinner. So I'm so happy, you guys, that I'm showing you guys this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I enjoyed making it. And I appreciate all you guys that have been supportive for anything. It's just amazing to be able to connect with a tribe and build a tribe of spiritual warriors. And I'm a warrior king, clearly. Like I haven't let anything ruin me. I'm still strong, I'm standing tall, and I'm still loving life, and I'm still putting out positivity and love and light. And that's what I'm gonna continue to do, because that's what I'm supposed to be doing, is showing you guys what I'm going through, how I'm doing life, how I'm healing. And that's why I'm in this situation, because I'm supposed to show you guys. That's why I came back here at this particular time. That's why God reincarnated my soul. That's why I chose my family. That's why I went through the hardships, the painful lessons, the valuable, important lessons that I've learned through the different traumas that I experienced, is to heal, show you guys what I'm doing, show you guys how I'm healing, continue to be a student of life, be curious, have an open mind, and most of all, heal and just be happy and be grateful and be thankful that my soul is here, and just be glad that I'm still thriving, surviving, enjoying life, and still getting karmic valuable lessons is everything. I'm here for it. I'm on a new karmic cycle, you guys. The last one I've superseded. That was my family, my previous friends. I don't have any of that anymore in my life. I'm still cool with my sister, my brother. I love them. But as far as like my father, my parents, and different people in my family, I had to just remove myself from them because they are not aligned with this journey that we are on. Do you understand? I love you guys. Warrior gang, kings and queens, goddesses, kings and goddesses, whatever you want to be. A warrior god, a warrior goddess, a king or a queen. I love you guys. Thank you guys. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe. Also, make sure you like this video, support me, support the channel, and send me a message if you like, if you got any more questions. See you guys in the next video.